beautiful people, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I have for you 3 holiday buns. You don't have to wear them for holidays only. I think they are pretty for any day. So let's get into it. Starting with our first holiday bun, we want to select our front sections, make them smooth and nice and bring them back, tie them both using a clear elastic, and you want to twist it like I'm showing. Then you want to grab a small section from underneath from one side, smoothing it out. You want to bring it through our created half ponytail. Now you want to grab the rest of your hair and measure where you want to tie your clear elastic, and I'll show you in a minute how long it should be. Tie it, grab the rest of your ponytail and tuck it into the created pocket like that. Now you want to pin it in place using grips and bobby pins. Use some hairspray if needed, and you're done. For our next hairstyle, we want to select our hair into a middle ponytail. Now you want to make an opening and you want to bring your ponytail like I'm showing. Now you want to grab your ponytail, divide it into two, and here, by the way guys, you can make the braid that you like the most. I decided to make a raw braid and I'll braid it just a little bit, like half of my ponytail, pull it a bit and tie it using a clear elastic. Now you want to bring your braid through created loop. Make sure to hide the ends up like I'm showing so there are no hair sticking out, and use some bobby pins to fix in place your braid. Spread your braid like I'm showing, creating a texturized and voluminous bun. I'll use some grips to fix the form of my bun in place, and use some hairspray of course too if you need. Done! For the next one, again you want to select your side sections and you want to bring them back, making sure they're nice and smooth. You want to bring them back and tie it using a clear elastic like that. Now you want to select a small section from underneath, make it smooth and nice and bring it through your created ponytail, and you want to repeat on the other side as well. Now grab all the remaining hair, and here I'll make a 3-strand braid, but again you can make the one you like the most. About half of my braid, I'll stop a little bit and tie it using a clear elastic. Grabbing the braid, you want to tuck it into created pocket of our bun like that and fix it in place using bobby pins first and then some grips to fix in place our form. Use again some hairspray if need, and you're done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's holiday buns. Don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!